As LangChain evolved, three different ways of building applications emerged: legacy chains, modern LCL, and LangGraph. Let's understand when each one makes sense. All three approaches connect prompts, models, and outputs. The difference isn't what they build, it's how much flexibility and control they provide. Chains were LangChain's original programming model, using classes like LLM-chain to wrap prompts and language models into reusable objects. All three approaches, LLM-chain is easy to understand, but every new use case required another specialized chain class, making the API larger and less flexible. As applications became more sophisticated, developers needed better composition, streaming, and flexibility than the original chain classes could easily provide. LCEL, the LangChain expression language, replaces rigid chain classes with composable runnable pipelines connected through a simple pipe operator. The same workflow is now assembled from small, reusable components. This makes pipelines easier to build, modify, and extend. LCEL provides streaming, batching, and parallel execution out of the box, while keeping straightforward pipelines clean and expressive. LCEL can express many workflows, but once branching, loops, or shared mutable state become central, the pipeline becomes harder to manage. LangGraph models your application as an explicit graph, giving you precise control over state, branching, retries, and complex execution paths. Instead of hiding execution inside a pipeline, LangGraph makes every node, connection, and transition visible and explicit. LangGraph shines when workflows become dynamic, allowing branching decisions, retries, long-running state, and sophisticated multi-agent coordination.
Think of LCEL as the engine that executes runnable pipelines, while LangGraph orchestrates those pipelines into larger intelligent workflows.
Chains belong to older codebases. LCL is the modern default for most applications, while LangGraph handles workflows that require orchestration and state.
If your workflow is mostly linear, start with LCEL. When execution branches or maintains shared state, move to LangGraph instead.
The same RAG application can be implemented using legacy chains, modern LCEL pipelines, or LangGraph when retries and decision-making become necessary.
In practice, many LangGraph nodes simply execute LCL runnable pipelines internally. The two technologies complement each other rather than compete.
Start with LCEL for modern applications, introduce LangGraph when workflows become stateful or dynamic, and treat legacy chains as older patterns you'll still encounter.